Alright guys, so I'm sure to update your MacBook. And this works for most older versions and also the newest. Now it's pretty simple, so first in the top left corner, just press the Apple logo. Now if you're on the older version, then it's going to say System Preferences. But for me it says System Settings. Now regardless, just press on that. Now, if you're on the old version and you press System Preferences, then you would just press Software Update. But if you're on a new version and press System Settings, then you're going to press on General on the left side. And you're going to press on Software Update. Now you see for me it says Update Available, and there's the Update Now button. But you can also press on the I for automatic updates. And then from here, I'm going to turn on Install Mac OS Updates. Just put in my fingerprint. Then press Done. And it's going to press Update Now. Then agree to the TOS. So now it's downloading. Okay, so it's finished downloading, but I have this Restart Now button. But in the top right corner it says not connected to power and you need at least half the battery. So just going to plug it in. And now when I press Restart Now, you'll see this Apple logo a few times. Alright guys, hope this helped out. And for more MacBook tips, just press the video on the top right.